Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. In today's video, we'll talk about something very important in cybersecurity, and it's the CAI triad. Well, the CIA triad stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. This model is fundamental in developing security systems, identifying vulnerabilities, and creating solutions. The CIA triad segments these three crucial aspects, guiding security teams to address each concern effectively. When all three standards are met, an organization's security profile is stronger and better equipped to handle threats. Confidentiality ensures that data is kept secret or private. It involves controlling access to prevent unauthorized data sharing. Only individuals with the proper authorization should access sensitive business information. For example, employees managing finance should access relative spreadsheets and bank accounts, while others should not. Confidentiality violation can occur through direct attacks like man-in-the-middle attacks, where attackers intercept and alter data. Other violations result from human error, such as failing to protect passwords or sharing login credentials. To maintain confidentiality, organizations can classify and label restricted data, enable access control policies, encrypt data, and use multi-factor authentications. Proper training and awareness are also crucial. Integrity ensures that data is trustworthy and free from alternation. Authentic, accurate, and reliable data is essential for maintaining trust. For instance, accurate information about senior managers on a company website is vital for credibility. Compromising integrity can be intentional or accidental. Intentional attacks include bypassing intrusion detection systems and altering system logs. Accidental violations occur due to careless mistakes or inadequate security policies. To protect data integrity, organizations can use hashing, encryption, digital certifications, and digital signatures. Availability ensures that data is accessible when needed. System networks and applications must function correctly, allowing authorized individuals to access data promptly. Distributions like power outages, natural disaster, or deliberate attacks like denial of service, DDoS attack, or ransomware can compromise availability. To ensure availability, organizations can implement redundant networks, servers, and applications that can activate when primary systems fail. Regular software and security system upgrades minimize malfunctions and vulnerability to new threats. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.